day. Local market. The teacher introduced Thai ingredients throughout in English, and used a simple method to allow my 10-year-old son to practice cooking. Although he is a picky eater, he eats all the food that I cook. The teacher introduced Thai ingredients throughout in English, and although he had an accent, he was understandable. There are students from all over the world, including South Korea, Germany. A recommended parent-child interactive itinerary. The location is at On Nut Station, the alley opposite Big C. Although the weather was very hot and we had to go to the market, the teacher thoughtfully prepared fans and introduced the ingredients in a friendly manner. The venue was also very clean and we could cook and eat at the same time. Everyone was very satisfied and the children liked it very much too. I look forward to participating again next time. The instructor teaches carefully and is humorous. Easy to find the location, on Nut Station, near Big C Extra, good and clean kitchen, nice experience. I went with 4 female friends. Teacher Pui communicated with the students in easy-to-understand and humorous English. The venue was clean, the tableware was exquisite, and the market experience was great. Girls would love this trip. The teacher is handsome and friendly, he is very patient and always take care of us. A bit far from the BTS station, especially in the scorching heat, sweaty. The instructor is friendly and willing to answer questions. The trainees mainly cook 2 dishes, which was an interesting experience of cooking Thai food. The instructors were great and the food was well prepared. The portions are generous and you can really learn the tricks and ingredients of cooking Thai food. The instructor was very nice and patiently introduced each Thai dish and let us eat while cooking. The whole experience was very good and the kids liked it too. Great. The instructor is very nice and talked and laughed throughout the whole process. Although the teaching is in English, there are also some Mandarin words to make you understand. And they take good care of children and often give them opportunities to help. Get up early to learn to be Thai cooking mama, from going to the market to buy groceries, then make Thai milk tea, Thai fried powder, tom yam, pad pong curry, mango glutinous rice. But also while making while eating after class has been full 3 hours, very satisfied, very fun. Super friendly and attentive instructor, and the place was really clean and modern. Nice and funny teacher, can learn how to cook famous Thai dishes, with gift for everyone after class.